Hello children of class 5th. Today we will discuss about splash of water and gifts of nature. First of all, we go through the page number 18, that is splash of water. About 71% of the earth surface is covered with water. You know very well about this. Identify the following water bodies. You have to find out here water bodies and take the correct options. First question is, which is the smallest ocean in the world? It is located around the North Pole. Correct answer is Arctic Ocean. Question number 2, which is the longest river in the world? It is a north flowing river in Africa. Your correct answer is Nile. Question number 3, which river in the world carries the most water? It is the main river of South America. Correct answer is Amazon. Question number 4, which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? All the continents in the world could fit into it. Answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 5, which is the deepest freshwater lake in the world? It is in southeast Siberia. Correct answer is Lake Baikal. Question number 6, which is the highest waterfall in the world? It is located on the tributary of Rio Grande in Venezuela. Your answer is Angel Falls. You will write down the question and their answers in copy as a one-word answer. Okay. Now we go through the page number 19. Read the clues to identify the Indian states where these beaches are found and complete the crossword. You have to identify by the clues and then fill this crossword. Okay, now you have the clue. Now we will make it as a one word question and answer. Don't do this work in your copy, as don't write down crossword in copy, but these clues will be in question and answer form. So you have to write down heading give answer in one word. First question is, Bangram Island beach is one of the secret beaches where tourists are sent by the helicopter during monsoon. Your answer is Lakshadweep. Radhanagar beach is the picturesque nature paradise with rich coral reefs and lush green forest. Answer is Andaman. Dhanushkodi beach is the bordered by the Bay of Bengal on one side and Indian Ocean on the other side. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Puri beach is a tourist attraction for the pilgrims who visit Lord Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha. The not so developed Merari beach is ideal for people who like to explore backwaters. Kerala. Calangute beach is known as the Queen of Beach, is located in Goa. Marina beach is the longest beach in India, that is located in Chennai. So you will complete this in your copy. Okay, you understand how to write down in your copy. Now we will go through the page number 20, gifts of nature. Here we talk about the medicinal plants which give us medicines. So you will write down write the name of few medical plants in your copy and fill this crossword in the book. Okay, you have the names and you will complete this. You can write the 10 names or 5 names in your copy. Medical plants, and learn very carefully. Now we will go through the page number 21. It is clue for the page number 20, but we will make it as a answer in one word, or we can say fill ups. Okay, bachcho. Now listen. It is obtained from the inner bark of several trees and help to heal problems such as bronchitis, asthma, and even heart conditions. Cinnamon. Question number 2. This following plant shares its name with a color. When applied to cuts and bruises, it works as an antiseptic and provides relief from pain. Lavender. Question number 3. The fruit of this tree help in curing diarrhea, dysentery, and consumption. It is also known as wood apple and native to India. Bay. Answer is B. Question number 4. This fruit is excellent for boosting immunity, improving digestion, and a rich source of vitamin C. Correct answer is Amla. Question number 5. This is an aromatic plant with white and yellow daisy-like flower. It used to make herbal tea. Your correct answer is chamomile. Question number 6. This tree is native to the India subcontinent. Its leaves and bark have antibacterial and antiseptic values. Correct answer is neem. Calendula, a species of flower, has antifungal properties and help in soothing rashes, sunburn, acne, and blemishes. Your answer is marigold. Question number 8. It is the most sacred herb in Hindu beliefs and commonly found in every house, popularly known as tulsi. Its leaves can cure cough, cold, bronchitis, and loss of appetite. Correct answer is basil. Now we have question number 9. This medical herb of the mint family is a strong antiseptic that helps in curing cough, conjunctions, and indigestion. Correct answer is thyme. And last, question number 10. The fleshy leaves of this plant produce a bitter juice which is used to medicine, and consists juice is also effective in treating burns and frosticides. Aloe vera. Now you have some explore time. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine that uses herbs, minerals, some metals to cure illness. Okay, do you understand all the pages and how to do in your copy and which work will be done in your books? So do this work very carefully in your copies and neat writing. Okay, bye.